Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 4-minute or less video. I have been doing this for 50 years. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I have been in private practice for 40 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. You're always going to hear the truth from me. I've been doing this so long. I've been on every major news station. You can go to my website at 777irs.com. You can see me all dressed up in a suit and tie, and more important, you can see my team and my videos. So IRS has hired a bunch of new auditors, obviously, with this new money they've got. And if you have gotten an IRS audit letter and you need to choose representation, I want to tell you something that should make just absolute common sense to you. You know, people go searching. They want to search attorneys, and they want to search CPAs, and they want to search all these places and all these companies. Let me tell you something. I've been doing this for 50 years. You're absolutely going to be crazy not to hire a former IRS agent who worked in the audit division. Let me tell you, there's different divisions of Internal Revenue Service. There's a collection division, this division, the estate division. There's the attorney division. There's everything, every kind of division, criminal division. But let me tell you, if you're going through or facing an IRS audit, you want to hire a former auditor. Let me just tell you why. It actually breaks my heart to tell you this, but so many people call me after they've hired companies and they've made these mistakes. And I just said, why didn't you think of hiring a former agent? And I said, well, we didn't think of that. They didn't think of that, really. Well, former agents know every single move the auditor has to make because they had the job. They know everything they're negotiating. It's like a checkerboard. Only you know what? You're already thinking what IRS is thinking, and you're well ahead of them. And you know how to present the documents. You know how to negotiate. And I just want to tell you what just makes common sense. If you are going through an audit, there is no way, unless you hire someone terrible, a former IRS agent, there's no way anyone else is going to be able to do representation better than former IRS agents because they know what's going on. Please, people, this should just make perfect sense to you. So anyway, if it doesn't, let that sink in. We have a team of former IRS agents on staff, and they're really good. They are really, really, really good. Call for a consultation. We don't take an audit on unless we look at it first and make sure we know what sort of records you have, and we give you a truthful and honest opinion on that. Anyway, if you're going through an audit, you're facing one, you want a second opinion, give us a call. This is just a real truthful statement. Is it self-serving? Yes. But is it going to help you? Yes. Give me a subscription if you would. If you don't hire our former IRS agents, hire other former IRS agents. You'll do yourself a big favor. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. I really appreciate it. Leave me questions and comments. I love those. Thank you very much.